Hello, everyone, and welcome to the course Fundamentals of Professional Logo Designing. I'm your instructor, Fazilat Ali Ahmed, and I'm a graphic designer, software engineer, and a course creator on Udemy. In this course, we will learn a professional approach to design logo and will discuss definition and detail about logo, purpose of logo designing, elements of logo designing, points to keep in mind before designing a logo, difference between logos and branding, which is the most confusing part for beginners, but it will not be after this course. Okay, then after that, we will see the importance of logo in branding, types of logo, and when to use each type. And then we will design the logos using the Adobe Illustrator. So let's head over to our very first question, that is, what is a logo? Logos are symbols made up of text and images that help us identify brands we like. But they can be so much more. A good logo is the cornerstone of your brand. It helps customer understand who you are, what you do, and what you value. That's a lot of responsibility on a tiny image. Here's the definition of what a logo is and how to make the most of it. A logo is a graphic mark, emblem, symbol, or stylized name used to identify a company, organization, product, or brand. It may take the form of an abstract or figurative design, or it may present as a stylized version of the company's name if it has sufficient brand recognition. Logo design is all about creating the perfect visual brand mark for a company. Depending on the type, a logo usually consists of a symbol or brand mark and a logotype along with a tagline. Every day we came across a lot of logos that we may haven't noticed. From waking up to the breakfast table, you have seen almost 5 to 10 logos. For example, logo on your mobile, toothpaste, soap, face wash, butter, bread, and so on. Now, you must be thinking, does logos do something aside from looking pretty? The answer is a big yes. Logos serve many functions. Now, you will have a question in your mind that what exactly does a logo do? What is the purpose of using logo? A logo makes you stand out from the competition. Perhaps the most fundamental function of a logo is giving the business a unique mark that differentiates them from other businesses, which 99.9% of them do. Before you design a logo for business, you'll want to research what your competitors look like so you can position yourself. Here we have the logo evolution of Coke and Pepsi brand. They keep changing their logo to stand out in each era, and it would not be wrong if we say that they are the most popular non-alcoholic soft drink brand of all in which logo has played a vital role. A logo identifies key information about your business. Along with demarcating your business, a good logo also provides your customer with some crucial information about your company. It can communicate the industry you exist in, the service you provide, your target demographic, and your brand values. For example, a company might use circuit imagery into their logo to show that they operate in the software industry, or they might use a specific color to communicate they're committed to being green environmental, or they might use a stylish font to highlight that they are luxurious. Check out how Burger King uses an image of a burger bun with the text making the filling to show that their business specializes in fast food. A logo builds brand recognition. Logo also leave a visual impact that reminds your customer that you exist. In other words, logos can create strong visual associations with a business. This association helps customer keep your brand in mind. Think about brands like Nike or McDonald's, whose logos are so ubiquitous that they can be instantly recognized with or without the name attached. It's no surprise that logos are such a central part of brand identity.